Welcome guys. Let's do CFX token technical analysis and price prediction for this year 2020. And please watch this video complete because in this video I'm going to show you my new charts all price targets. Current rank of CFX token is 194 and price of CFX token is 18 cents right now. Market cap of this token is $234 million. Fully diluted market cap of this token is $252 million. 24-hour trading volume of this token is 9.1 million. And circulating supply of this token is 1.17 billion. And maximum and total supply of this token is 1.29 billion. Let me please show you some statistics. After that, I will show you charts. All-time high of this token was on March 27, 2021, about 10 months ago, and price was $1.70. All-time low of this token was on November 11, 2020, a year ago, and price was just 7 cents. It is available on these exchanges, Binance, Gate.io, OK. And if you want to buy this token on Gate.io exchange or Binance exchange or OK exchange, these are the links. Click on these links and register your accounts. After registration, you can grab these bonuses. Total bonuses are $9,280 bonuses. Click on these links and register your accounts. After registration, you have to deposit. After first deposit, you can claim these bonuses. These bonuses are tradable. Trade with these bonuses only, put your seed money away. This is risk-free trading strategy. But only condition is that you have to deposit to grab these bonuses. Let me please show you website of this token. Blockchain without barriers. Complex enables creators, communities, and markets to connect across borders and protocols. Why complex? High throughput, secure, interoperable, scalable, built-in staking, and low fees. CFX token. These are some technical information. Please visit this website by your own. Let me please show you first chart. This is CFX USDT pair 4-hour chart. Currently it is in this falling wedge pattern. Price is continuously dropping and it is at 18 cents right now. And it is looking very bearish right now. Major support is at this zone, 17 cents price area. If in any case price break this, then I think price will go down maybe 15 cents, maybe 10 cents, maybe 12 cents. But it is perfect time to buy this token. Why I am saying this? Because this token is down approximately 89% to 90% from its all-time high. That is why this is opportunity time. Grab this opportunity. Once it break this falling wedge, in that case, next target would be 19 cents. And after that, 23 cents, 28 cents, 31 cents, 33 cents. These all are coming targets. Technical target would be this area, starting of this falling wedge. And these blue lines are main horizontal resistances as well as these are our coming targets. Here you can see how much price is down and it is right time to buy this token. But please do your own research before buying this token. Here you can see in 4-hour chart price is there is a top at 83 cents price area. Let me please show you all-time high in 4-hourly. These are main levels. Note down these levels. And in 4-hour, this is OK exchange chart price, and it is top at $1.70 area. And after that we are still in very bearish zone. Let me please show you some indicators. First of all, EMA ribbon. Let me please show you. Here you can see EMA ribbon is still very bearish. It have to break this EMA ribbon in order to move towards the upside. Once it break this EMA ribbon, after that upside rally definitely will begin. And let me please show you MACD. Let me please zoom this. MACD crossover towards upside and towers are coming in blue towers. That means price I think will go up in 4-hour chart. We have to wait and we have to watch. And let me please hide this. And let me please show you some fib levels for trading. For this I have to delete all these things, or let me please try it first. Let me please do this. Sorry for that. Let me please do this. Currently we are in very bearish zone. It have to cross 53 cents in 4-hour chart. Once it break this area, 53 cents price area, it is 0.23 fib level. After that 0.38 fib level, which is 76 cents price area, this area. And after that 0.5, and it is very important, 94 cents price area. After that this golden pocket, which is $1.12 price area, and after that 0.78, which is $1.38 price area. Once it break $1.38 price area, in that case it will be extreme bullish. Let me please show you my second chart. This is daily chart. In daily it is at 18 cents right now, and it is in this falling wedge pattern. As you can see, this is upper trend line, this white line is support line, and this yellow line is also a support line. If in any case price break this support line, in that case price can further go down. We have to wait. I think we are in very bearish zone, and price have to break this area. Once price break this $23 23 cents price area, this area, after that it will break this horizontal resistance as well as this upper trend line, and it is 24 cents price area. After that target would be this 32 cents price area, which is falling wedge starting area, and after that 37 cents, 41 cents, 46 cents, and 61 cents, and so on. These are levels to watch, and these are our horizontal main levels. Here you can see horizontal main resistances levels, and here you can see top is at $1.69 price area. Let me please arrange this chart again, and let me please show you my first indicator, which is EMA ribbon. Let me please show you. Currently EMA ribbon is very strong, and it is at the same point where this trend line exists and where this EMA ribbon is at 23 cents price area. It must have to 24. It must have to break 23 cents price area. After that upside rally definitely will begin, and after that it will hit these targets very soon. Until now maybe it will move sideways. Let me please hide this, and let me please show you MACD. MACD daily crossover was towards downside, but now towers are changing their color, and that means maybe we may see some price up, and after that we may see a crossover. Here you can see towards upside. We have to wait for this. And let me please show you some levels for trading. Let me first show you some fib levels which are from previous top, and it is at 24 cents price area. If I calculate this from here to bottom, and let me please arrange this. Let me please do this. Here you can see it must have to break 32 cents price area for upside movement in daily chart, and after that 0.38 fib level, which is 42 cents price area. After that 0.5, which is $0.50 price area, and after that 0.61, which is $0.58 price area. After that 0.78, which is 70 cents price area. These are levels for day trading. You can note down these levels. And these are our horizontal resistances areas. And these are levels for day trading. Let me please hide this. And let me please show you CPR indicator. These green lines are main CPR lines, and these red lines are bearish targets, and these orange lines are our monthly bullish targets. Currently we are in bearish zone, and price can hit this zone, 15 cents price area. Maybe price can go down to hit this zone, 15 cents price area. But once price break this level, 24 cents, and after that 25 cents price area, in that case price will break this main CPR levels. After that upside rally will start. After that monthly bullish targets are $29, $38, and $43, 43 cents, 38 cents, 29 cents. These are targets. But for this it have to cross this area, 24 cents price area. After that 26 cents price area. After that it will turn into a spot area, and after that we may see that kind of move. If price fails to break this area, in that case price can go down to 15 cents, maybe 10 cents price area. You have to be very careful. And let me please hide this, and let me please delete these things. Let me please do this. Sorry for that. If you still not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel. And now let me please show you top in daily chart and levels for trading. This is top in daily chart, and here you can see it is at 1.69 cents price area. You can say $1.70 price area. If I took a fib retracement tool from there to there, top to bottom, after that here you can see these are levels for trading. It have to break 52 cents price area, 0.23 fib level. After that 0.38 fib level, which is 75 cents. After that 0.5, which is 93 cents. After that 0.61, which is $1.16 price area, and after that 0.78, which is $1.37 price area. Once it break this area, $1.37 price area, it will be extreme bullish. Let me please show you weekly chart. In weekly, here you can see, let me please show you, we are in bottom at 18 cents right now. This yellow line is main trend line, and these white lines are our main support lines, and currently we are at our support line of 18 cents. After that 16 cents will be the next bearish zone. Here you can see, once price break this area, after that definitely upside move will start. This box area is very important. After that 28 cents, 39 cents, 83 cents, 97 cents, and so on. These all are our targets. Here you can see. And in daily, in weekly, top is at $2.14 price area. And let me please show you fib levels and target for this bull run. For this I have to delete all these things. And now what is next? Let me please show you. Now I am going to tell you target of this bull run. Maybe in this bull run price can hit. Let me please show you. It have to cross 63 cents in weekly chart. After that it will break this fib level after 0.23 fib level. After that next is 0.38 fib level, which is 92 cents. After that 0.5, which is $1.16. After that 0.61, which is $1.39. And once it cross 0.78, $1.73 price area, it will be extreme bullish. What will be the target of this bull run? I think price can hit to this level, and this will be the target, I think so. Let me please show you. I think price can hit this zone, and this will be the target, $1.73. Maybe this is target for of 2022, and price can hit maybe $2 price area, this area. These are targets, extreme targets. I think price can hit these targets because it is in very bearish zone, and current price drop here we can see 91%, 92%. Here you can see. That is why it is perfect time to buy this token. This is my technical analysis, guys. I hope you like this. If you like this, then please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon right now. And if you want to grab these bounces, $9,280 bounces of these exchanges, just click on these links and register your accounts. After registration, you have to deposit. After first deposit, you can grab these bounces. These bounces are tradable. You can find these links in this video's comment section or in this video's description. And you can trade in Bybit with $4,100 absolutely free. You can trade in Fimex with $4,100 absolutely free. And you can also grab these bounces too. Thanks for the watching, and always keep supporting me. Take care.